them.
Exactly. Assistant, hurry up! Where are you? I'm right here, coming to the castle. Follow me. Okay, we're coming. Let's move! Right behind you!
I see the light ahead.
Surrender yourself quietly. Quietly? Where's the fun in that? You can't touch us. We'll see about that.
Ha! Too slow, officers! Stop in the name of the law! Catch us if you can!
Eeyore, this is crazy!
You're arrested now. Where were you going to escape?
You got me, Wolf. We'll see about that.